In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the choke control lever on your Troy Bilt Super Bronco garden tiller. We'll get started by removing the air filter cover and the air filter. Next, we'll remove the air filter base. Next, I'll remove the lower air filter base. It's held in place with a bolt and 2 nuts. Now I have access to the choke control lever, and it just simply lifts away from the carburetor. Now I can install our choke control lever. It just slides back onto the top of the carburetor. Now I can reinstall the lower air filter base. As I do this, I also need to slide the breather hose back onto the air filter base. And then I'll secure it with the nuts and bolt. Now I'll reinstall the upper portion of the air filter base. And we'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter and the air filter cover.